That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is big and wide, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me.
Grand Rising, y'all. Grand Rising. Well, I guess this morning we are going fishing, okay? Before we go finish our food shopping and stuff, we are going fishing. So I'm taking y'all along. We're going to do something new. Well, no, y'all might have seen me go fishing on this channel. But we're going to go fishing just to mellow out. My daughter got some canvases. I got my sage. I'm going to bring a tarot deck. Just going to, get me some Starbucks and relax before the hustle and the bustle, because we're coming home and we GIing in this house, okay? Cleaning up. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. I just wanted to hop on here and let you know that's what we're doing. And I'm probably going to do my 40-minute walk through the park. The park is huge, so I'm probably going to go walk around like twice. And, yeah, I'm going to take y'all with me. Bing. We was hippies. That's what we was. What's up, y'all? The sun is hitting, so I said, let me hurry up and get this sun a little bit. How you doing? We're going to go fishing. Well, we're going to Starbucks first, and then we're going fishing. Then we're going to Walmart to get some worms, and I'm going to take y'all along to get these worms. And y'all see my eyes? Dang, only in the sun I realized I have my father's eyes. Oh. Anyway, so I'm going to see y'all in Walmart in a second. Bye. All right, y'all. Walking up on Starbucks. Now, I don't know what I want from Starbucks. Oh, look at this red one. That one's pretty. That's nice. Yeah. But not like... Look at this one. This one is so pretty.
Yeah, that's definitely good.
I might have to come get this one. How much is this one? 32. That's pretty. What's up, y'all? Tastes good. I like it. Okay. Get your drink. I got your thing. You too. And Walmart, there she go. Of course, this person turning. Hey, y'all, it's nice and quiet in Walmart. I need to get 2 of these for the table. Hold that for me, Danny.
Hey.
Hold on, Danny.
Hey, $1?
We got 2 tables, right?
Hey, $3.
All right, that's for our table. Oh, wait, no. Our things is orange. Our tablecloth.
Oh, so should we do cream?
Yeah. They don't have the little creams? Oh, yeah, here. Oh, that's good.
No, they don't have any cream.
Damn. I might have to change my... All right, well, we have 2 black tablecloths.
Oh, yeah, we do black and red.
But then I gotta get red balloons.
It's Christmas. I mean, it's Thanksgiving. Red goes with orange. It's a turkey.
Let's just throw you to the back. Because I needed something for the tables. Your lens cracked?
Look.
Right here? No, that's red paper.
Oh. Oh, that's hideous.
That's definitely disgusting.
It's hideous.
Red, yellow, orange.
Okay, y'all, they got some nice little finds. We're not here for that. We're here for worms. And just quickly just breeze through there. That's it. So you want to get the worms? You want to breeze through the food section? Oh, no, we're going to record the worms. All right, y'all. It's early. So we need some worms for the fish. How else are they going to get hooked?
And I like when the last time we was catching fish. It was really biting with the worms. The live worms.
Yeah, we're going to come get our tree next weekend. We ain't get no tree because I forgot I got to go to New York. So by the time I come back, Christmas will probably be the next week. So no, not this year. They're going to get their gift cards and go shopping. That's it. They're going to get gift cards this year, and next year we'll do the tree thing. This is not really a Christmas right now. But we still celebrate each other. I'm just not going to waste a bunch of money getting a tree last minute. These 4 weeks is really 2 weeks. So, what a damn gift. You know that 4 weeks is really 2 weeks? So, I'm not even. Y'all know I gotta go to New York. So, but let's see if we find these worms.
We over here for live willies. Live dates on crazy. Let me see if the mic is working.
Where we getting the Doug's?
So we did all of this. We have a bunch of these in the car already. My fishing rod is in the car already. We got hooks and everything, right? So, yes, y'all, we going fishing. Getting our hands dirty. Did I bring hand sanitizer? Because y'all know. And some hand wipes. I don't have none. I got to get some. Because I'm a girly girl. I'm a girly girl.
No, you said it was nice. Oh, something.
Daniel.
Check
See
that
that?
worm.
Look, that's bad. They did.
Oh.
You smell them?
Walmart need to stop playing.
They finna make me go somewhere else.
Not for no worms.
Oh my God.
Are they moving around?
No, they're all dead.
Wow.
Wow.
They're like just mold. You remember how
At least
bad it
those are
smelled
alive.
last time?
Yeah.
That's how they smell right now.
Because I don't want to touch none now.
Are they moving around?
Those are good.
Yeah,
See,
these
this
ones
is
are
an actual. Hold on. Yeah, this is actually a good fact because they ain't dead. They
Okay.
moving.
So just go through one more. What's up, y'all? So I had to put my hat on because when I stepped outside, Jack Frost was like, ugh, get your ass in the house, get your coat. But I left the coat in the car just now to come in here. But it was so cold that the wind knocked me back in the house to get my coat. And I got my son's thick scully because this hat got holes in it. But I'm going to rock with it for now. But sheesh. Cold. That's what I'm saying. Cold. No, I'm saying when I opened the door, Jack Frost was like, get back in the house and get your coat.
I think we're gonna do red ones. Let's see. Now this is what I was trying to show you before I got Rudy interrupted. See what they do at Walmart is they don't want to give those are.
Oh my God, they're never going to find a
So
good
you trying to finesse.
The system is never going to...
There it goes.
Oh, good.
There it goes.
You feel some?
Yeah.
They're all
Yeah, it
in
look
one
like this
clump?
one.
They don't be wanting to give
head.
you.
So you don't want these two?
Nope.
Yeah, those ones are dead, I think.
Oh.
That's enough. Cause y'all don't want to fish with them.
You know,
Oh, cause he on switch cause
you gonna see.
they don't come for these fake things.
Look, I bought me some
Exactly.
frogs.
They don't
They don't
care.
come
They
for
don't
them fake
care
ones.
about the fake ones. They only care about the real.
When you want real food,
Recognize real.
Wait,
that's it. That's
I'm
it.
gonna have a ball with them little fish. Them little, I want to know, cause yeah,
You gonna get them cat? We need to hurry
no, we gotta get the good. Oh, and just I don't
What's
know.
your
what-
YouTube channel?
Oh yeah, aside. Straight like that, ASAD. Go follow me.
Follow.
Go
Life
subscribe.
as Mirror. You already know. Make sure you go follow, subscribe, and turn. Ooh, and turn the
And then look what she got, her camera, and look what Danny got,
Oh yeah,
his
I got the mic
camera.
on. Got the mic on. Got the camera. You know.
See, we each one teach one. One eat, all eat. Everyone get the vlogging.
By
Every
this time
single
next
one of
year,
us, yo.
Yo, the girlie's making millions. I swear.
Really? No,
Gina.
Glenn Monte just right off her check. She said she got paid $673 off of TikTok. But off of YouTube, she made 15,000 something. I'm like 15,000.
YouTube, come on. Keep liking, keep engaging. Come on, we trying to eat too. And then our videos gonna keep rising because see, we're about to make a. Just come on, run it up.
I got that.
We'll be back. I actually want to get this right here and some darts and actually learn how to do this thing right here. Let's see if they got a Stanley Cup in here. I don't think Walmart sells Stanleys. I think that's just a Target thing. Which would make sense, because, come on, Target's for the girls. I know they don't have no Stanley Cups. You know they don't. Target's for the girls, and Walmart's for the everybody. Walmart for everybody. Oh, you know what I need? Some gloves, because I'm not. Where them gloves at? No, I need some gloves. Samara, where you find them? What the SD card's doing right here? We looking for gloves because. Oh, okay. Let's see. Good morning. All right. No. What? I have to get thick gloves? They don't have thin gloves? Oh. No. What kind of? These are for fishing?
No.
Oh, okay. I need some fishing gloves.
I don't know where you're going to
I
find
think it's right over here somewhere. Thank you. Danny, where I get those gloves from?
Those fishing gloves?
Yeah. Where? Oh, those are fishing gloves?
Over here.
What's up, y'all? We made it to the glorious park, as you see. Got our Starbucks. I want y'all to see the water. See the water. I put my shades on because I asked the sun to come out and shine its light on me. And that's what she did. So, you know, I'm happy now.
Am I ready? Oh, I blocked. Oh, yeah, let me grab this and make it look like I'm walking with the fishing equipment.
Yes. Danny, you look I like those glasses.
Thank you.
Show them your glasses. Don't that background look cute? Those are nice right there. Oh, I gotta get a pair of those.
$30.
$30.
$30.
The mall, baby. So we made it. I will show y'all my setup. Well, I'm gonna show y'all on the camera. Show y'all on the camera. Didn't you just put the new one in? Oh. Say hey, camera, to the phone, y'all. We are. That's the setup. Got my phone recording on the phone. We are in the park at the lake, about to go fishing. And yeah, I really used my camera. I normally just record on the phone, so, but I have to start using my camera, y'all. I gotta stop BSing, okay? Put on, use your camera. But the phone is so nice. I really love this new phone. Really, really love it. I got my setup, got my bag, I got my cards, I got my sage, I have my weed. We got some cheese danishes, got a coffee, and yeah, we'll be back. Can't see. Look at the birds. They just chilling, minding their business, chilling, minding their business. And look at my son. She just shining bright. I love you, girl. She let me take my jacket off. So, we just setting up right now. We're about to set up. Let me fix his head a little bit. You know, I did do my edge a little, but then I realized my head was going to be cold. Because this is like my third time showing my hair, my locks. Because normally I'll either wrap my head or something. But since my locks is long now, shoot, I can just show my hair now. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? Change the setting?
Change the record setting?
Maybe don't want it in 4K. Or, yeah, check, look through those. Let me show y'all the deck I brought today. So cute. I got this deck in Florida. I think I was in Florida when I got these. It was gifted to me one of my birthdays. But yeah, you know, we about to go up in a minute. And then we're going to start pulling while they fishing. I'll be fishing too, but you know what I mean. I plan to just have a whole oasis. I got some sage. Let's clear the image. Look at them lighters. The lights. I could have sworn I had a lighter in here. Oh, please tell me that. Yeah, I got one. Nope. No. That's lip gloss. Yeah, I got one. Let's burn a little bit of sage, y'all. All right, y'all. We're going to burn a little sage, clear the energy. Let these beautiful trees know, and these fishies know, and the birds, and the sun, all of nature. Know that we come in peace, and we bring love, peace, healing energy. Yes, we come in peace. We're going to clear up the energy, yeah. Clear the energy, clear the energy, clear the energy. Until you have it, energy cleared. Now, I don't want her to burn too much, because when we outside, she get the burning. So I'll be like, slow down.
Yeah, Mom, you was right. You can't shoot it before it's dead.
Oh, okay. See? Y'all, what up, y'all? What up, y'all? Happy Thanksgiving Eve. Oh, it's on Wednesday.
Yep, Thanksgiving Eve.
So this is what we're doing to clear our energy so the food will be great. Take a little me time before you get to cooking all day, all night, and all that, and dealing with family. Because
Everybody
family
does
about
not
to
even
come
remember
through.
the meal.
Yeah, Because family is coming in town, right? I know everyone about to be with friends and family and loved ones. Make sure you take you 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 2 hours to yourself and relax. Woo-sa. 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 Okay? That's what we're going to do. That's it. Love, light. Love and light. I ain't doing nothing now. I ain't doing nothing now. Baby bro, I'm going to have plenty shots for you because I know that you would have been lit today, tomorrow, Friday, Saturday. I already know. You'd have been turned. Going house to house with a plate set, you know. I love you, baby bro. So, he's going to live through us. Because he's now an ancestor, so he really chilling. He like, yo, I got this, sis. Don't worry, sis. I know. But we got to make sure baby girl's good and your baby sister's good. The older sisters, we gotta hold it down for the little ones. Yeah. Oh, I should call Daddy and let him see our background. Hold on. Look at the geese. Hey, geese. Y'all just walk. Y'all just chilling. Hey. Y'all want food? We gotta go get some food, okay? Okay. What the hell? Why you gotta be a dick? This bitch not gonna go? So, is the reason why it ain't going? I gotta turn it over, you said, to throw it? Supposed to be
Right
this
there.
way to throw?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
And then let go. Yep.
And the wheel out lock it.
Yep. Now pull up. Yep. Now reel.
Maybe they want a new worm.
Oh yeah, they biting. They biting.
How you know that?
Yo, piece of your worm gone. If you just set that down right there in that water, I guarantee you, two members will bite. Let it go. Don't even reel.
Put it down.
Yep.
I'm gonna go get the chair. Go get a chair. Oh, pass it.
All right, y'all. Now we gotta walk way back down there to go get all our stuff. So I done threw the thing, and now we're gonna let it sit and see if a fish bite it. We'll be right back. Okay.
Yep. You don't want to start reeling until you flip that thing right back over.
All right. Wait, so I flip it over to throw it.
Flip it over to throw it, and then flip it over once
To
you
reel
reel
it
it.
in.
Okay, now this is the thing too. With y'all being, so that's why y'all gotta move your chair to the front. Because you can just put your rod, you just sit it down till your ball moves.
Oh, so leave it in there for a second.
You leave it forever. Whenever your ball moves, when they take your worm.
That's it?
Yep. That's how worm fishing is. That's why I don't worm fish. Not yet.
Not yet.
That's the first cast. Not yet.
Usually in that first, we met two different people and they were really,
Really
I mean,
good.
big fish. But I don't know.
On that
Yeah,
curve.
right there in the curve. I've seen a lot of
Two
people
different
catching
times.
stuff down there. One guy caught a bass. I know he was
Wow.
that long because he had a
We
5-gallon
will.
bucket. The
Yeah.
head was down in there and the tail came over the bucket
Wow.
and about hit the ground.
And then about 2 weeks ago, there was a lady down there by herself. Her bucket, she had a big fish down there.
Oh, yeah.
So
Wow.
if you don't, and you move down, hopefully maybe
Right.
you'll,
Right. Thank
maybe
you.
that's the spot. I don't know.
Thank you.
Catch a lot, send me a text when dinner's going to be.
I got you. Well, we found it. You hear me?
My thing's stuck.
Alright, play with it. Like you're gonna have to move up, step up just a little bit. Yep. And then try moving around. Just think of the hook, like trying to get the hook moved up.
The worm's still on there?
Yep.
I'm ready to move.
That's it. You fishing. You can go in. You can go anywhere you like.
Let's go to the other side. Come on, y'all. Gotta take y'all over here. Hold on. Yo, me neither. We like to use our credit cards, okay? Because my camera was on it. But it just feel like it's wrong. It feel like it's wrong. We in the work car, the work van. We in the work van, y'all. So we leaving the park
It feels good.
and gonna get the rest of this stuff and then probably find something to munch on. So we'll be back. Okay, so we are picking out some incense. These are my favorite incense. Let's go, Amber. Let's see what you smell like. Oh, that one smells good. Let's see what apple crisp smells. Oh, I might like the way that one smells tomorrow. Let's get order. This one, Isis. That's the name of my grandbaby. That smells good. And look how pretty it is. We're gonna get 2 of those. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, I got some marshmallows. We're in Walmart now. Coming to get the last remaining of whatever. So we need, I need the seasonings. And we're gonna see.
This was all right.
What a burger that.
The cheeseburgers. They don't have them
They
here.
don't do them.
Oh yeah, they do.
And when we was living on the road, boy, we would come over here and get the cheeseburgers. The bomb. All right, we need some of that. Let's see what these are.
Sage, pumpkin.
I think we got sage. We need onion. Still $3.86. Garlic salt. Only a little bit of that nasty stuff.
Is the football game coming on tomorrow?
Yes, man. This stays here.
Dollar Tree now, guys. Coming to get pans,
Just put dollars.
plates, and cups. Turkey pan, yep. You gotta, Danny, you gotta have 2 in that, 2 turkey pans to hold that turkey.
Oh, yeah, they got
Yeah, I need 3. I mean, and then I need probably 2 for hold the 2 chickens. Okay, y'all. We getting this dang going stuff out of here. Okay, y'all. So I'm trying to find little cute cups for the kids to drink out of. Last year we had these ones. So now I'm like, I think I want the silver. And where's the paper towels that had the silverware in it? Oh, is that up there? These, let me show you. Get those so I can put on the table. And get some of these. Okay. Okay, y'all. We at Chick-fil-A now. We had an adventurous day. She ain't been to sleep yet. Or Danny. So it's time for them to go take a cat nap. And be ready, be up at 10, 11. Well, actually, no, we gotta clean, and then they go to bed, and then we can start. But we gotta give each other shifts. Well, I can do all the meat, prep the meat, char the meat, and all that stuff. So that way, all the big stuff be out the way. He gotta do that turkey at 1 o'clock. I show him how to pour the season and some oils, and you massage it and all that, so he don't use all the seasonings. Gotta stretch these seasonings, y'all. I done spent $40 in seasonings. That's crazy to me. Thank you. Oh, can I get a straw? A strawberry milkshake. Now, I haven't had Chick-fil-A in like 8 months. I don't really eat Chick-fil-A like that no more.
Yeah.
Like 8 months. Thank you.
No.
Oh,
right
shoot.
now. Wow, where you at?
It's tasty.
Where's she at?
Ooh, I like when it's nice and thick.
You taking her the wheels
Tired.
for Thanksgiving?
I'm just getting lower energy. I just probably eat. I like the whipped cream.
Right. Or it ain't do it yet. Either one of those two. I say either that or they ain't do it yet.
It's a pretty good drink.
I'm gonna see you now that you
Hey, baby.
Let's see if it still tastes the same. It's so well managed, though. I still haven't seen an angry Chick-fil-A worker.
They do free refills.
I put honey mustard barbecue on my spicy chicken. Honey roasted barbecue. Let's see how it tastes. Their food just look like it ain't fresh, but it's fresh.
It's fresh though, yeah. This tea?
Like tea, I ain't even got a drink. Actually, I don't know.
You got a milkshake.
You can dip your sandwich. This is good today. The last time I had Chick-fil-A, it wasn't good.
I finished my drink before I even started eating.
Yeah, I gotta get a refill on my drink too.
I like it with cream. This is when you got the munchies. I'm one. I like to eat my dessert with my food. I'm the only one that like that. I could eat my dessert with my
Dip
food.
your French fries in there. You ever tried they French fries with you? Watch this. Try it. And my thing is Oreos with it.
That's good.
That is amazing. That tea is amazing.
Oh, yes, you can ask them to give you this.
Refill, yeah.
Kids love this place.
Mm-hmm.
All places with a little flame
Oh, yeah.
spot. They don't have that over there.
Crazy. They took away all the parks, playgrounds out of the apartments, parks, community centers, and the things out of the where you eat at.
You know they said they're coming to turn up.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. This segment's going to be called When You Got the Munchies.